Forex market, Thursday morning today. Welcome back, everybody. We got the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. We've been here 5, maybe 6 days ago, and we announced that we were pulling the trigger on what seemed to be a turnaround, a downside reversal on the short-term scale, where we figured out that price was starting to trade sideways in this fashion. It gave us a few exchanges here, and we felt that this more likely is going to be a new downside move back to where price came from, right? So, and when we saw, we had a few, we did picked up a few cues, before we decided to pull the trigger. The first one was the fact that it was the formation actually started to establish itself by having this third leg all the way up. The second was, the fact that price spiked that key level that we've placed here, which was just the previous high, right? But it played a nice role as a resistance area, and price just spiked that level and then closed below and then started to turn around. We saw that as another important element, in our bearish conviction. And at some point when we were here, price was actually pushing below 77.42, and it was looking like, it did look like a genuine breakdown, you know what I mean? But later on we found out that that was not the case. Basically, when we thought price was breaking down, it was a bit of a setup. It was a bit of a trap where we fell for it, But even though we fell for it, we felt that there's a very good chance we just fell for a temporary trap, meaning the conviction itself is still going to be okay, still intact. The direction is correct. It's just the timing, right? We were off with the timing. So we decided not to step outside, not to close out this position, not to terminate the campaign. And we decided to stay put at least as long as price remains below 78.20. And guys, here's what happened. Check this out. It's remarkably technical here, right? Price came back up. It touched down here once. Second time was yesterday. Well, actually a couple of days ago. And yesterday, big drop, right? But also, again, after trying to actually drilling through 78.20 for probably for a couple of hours, maybe even less than that, and then just explosive move back on the downside, breaking 77.43, which is exactly what we wanted to have. That was the trigger, right? As we started here, right from the get-go, 77.43 was the official trigger. That's what we wanted to see get broken, which it didn't, but now it did, right? So that's very good news. We're still here. We set our stop loss level kind of far away enough to keep ourselves safe here, and we stayed in the position. Stop loss level is still 79. We're going to adjust the stop loss level by 50 pip to 78.50. But more than that, I think more important than that would be the increase of this position, right? It's time to push the position bigger. We have all the right cues in place. Price made a nice U-turn. Now with that break down below 77.43 after that touchdown on 78.20, kind of suggests that price is on the go. Hopefully it's on the go. It's gonna keep pushing downwards. 75.47 should be an important target. It is our main target. But we don't, we're not planning to take most of the position out, probably just half of it, and we'll keep another half to 74.56, which is final destination, which we're just where the previous lows are, right? Still a trading range, so we expect price to pretty much go all the way down to the base of this formation. That's about that for Euro New Zealand dollar. Hopefully we'll come back soon to keep you posted. In the meantime, guys, we'll say goodbye, and we'll see you in the next one.